Hello everybody, this is David from Omega Engineering. We get a lot of questions on how to apply a strain gauge. So today we're going to prep the surface and apply a strain gauge on a bar of stainless steel. So here's what we'll need. First of all, we will need 220 grit sandpaper, solvent cleaner. Today I'm going to be using acetone. The SG496 or the SG401 adhesive, instant cure, a cotton swab, the Omega KFH pre-wired strain gauge, lint-free industrial cloth. First, we are going to polish the surface using the 220 grit sandpaper. Take the sandpaper, go in small tiny circles. Once you have the polished surface, we want to remove any dirt or impurities. Just take the lint-free industrial cloth and wipe it clean. Go unidirectionally from one side to the other, just so you don't smear the dirt on the same surface. Then take the Omega Solvent Cleaner and apply a few drops on the polished surface and wipe it clean. And go unidirectionally from one end to the other. After that, take the solvent cleaner and prep the surface of the strain gauge just to make sure that we don't have any contaminants or dirt sticking on the strain gauge. Now we can use a cotton swab and wipe the surface of the strain gauge clean. Now I'm going to take a small piece of tape, apply it over the surface of the strain gauge uniformly, just like that. And then apply a few drops of the SG496 adhesive, or you can use any cyanacrylite based adhesive, instant cure, on the surface where you want to apply the strain gauge. Apply a uniform coat. Now remove the strain gauge from the cover. You might want to mark the surface where you want to apply the strain gauge. Just place it over there. Apply a small amount of pressure so that the adhesive cures instantly. Press and hold it for a few seconds. Let it stay for a few seconds for the adhesive to dry out. And once it is cured completely, remove the tape carefully from one end. There you have it, folks, a strain gauge attached to the surface of a stainless steel bar. We have multiple strain gauges, different strain gauges for different applications to measure different kinds of strain. If you need help choosing a strain gauge for your application, feel free to give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help you.